at long last, women are starting to make waves in the hedge fund world. 9 recently open or soon to launch funds started by women signal that change is coming. But progress does remain slow. And of the thousands of hedge funds, only 80 are led by women today. That's according to Kresge Foundation, which tracks the diversity of managers. For more on this, we're joined by our Bloomberg hedge fund reporter, Nishant Kumar. Nishant, unfortunately, this isn't a news story, as we've talked about before. Just how bad is the representation of women in these risk-taking roles in the industry?
Well, it's terrible. That's the only word I can think of that really captures this trend. Here are some statistics that should surprise you, or maybe not surprise you. In UK, more UK mutual funds are run by managers named David than by women. In the US, which is the world's biggest investment management industry, only 11% of the funds are managed by women. That's not the case with other industries. This compares with 38% of lawyers, 49% of judges, 35% of economists, 26% of chief executives who are women. So this is a problem which is very unique to asset management industry. Fortunately, things are changing.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not surprised by that statistic, Nishant, on more people being named David. So you say things are changing. What's driving that change?
I think the biggest trend in the industry right now, which is more debate on diversity, rising popularity of ESG-related products, that's bringing a lot of attention to these managers. And to be honest, if you look the data, which is very limited, I agree, from performance point of view, women and diverse fund managers have performed much, much better than average hedge funds in the industry. You take 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, and the data is consistent. So there is a lot of evidence, hard evidence, that you do get some sort of performance edge if you diversify your portfolio to women and diverse fund managers. And then the most important thing, I think, is because there is really a generational shift going on in the hedge fund industry. So some of the women fund managers we have profiled, they have decades of trading experience. They are the best in their game. They have worked at one of the most sophisticated investment firms. So now they are striking out and launching their own hedge funds. And some of them could be more than $1 billion. At least we are guessing 3 of them. So that's quite substantial, a historic moment.